Samsung is reviving a feature many people believed was gone, but not in the way most expected. And no, this is not simply about correcting issues with the Z Fold 8. This is about Samsung quietly dividing the Fold lineup into two clearly different devices. That single move already places noticeable pressure on Apple's Foldable, even before it officially launches. For years, the Galaxy Fold narrative was straightforward. Samsung focused on thinness. Each new generation became slimmer, lighter, and closer to a traditional smartphone, but this came at the cost of S Pen support. To make the Z Fold 7 the thinnest fold ever, Samsung removed the digitizer entirely. Early leaks suggested the Z Fold 8 would bring it back, but we now know that is only partially accurate. Next year is shaping up to be a major moment for foldables. Apple is finally entering the segment, and for the first time, Samsung will not release just one Z Fold. Instead, it is launching two. Here is the key detail. S Pen support is not returning to the standard Z Fold 8. Instead, it will arrive on a wider version of the device. A wider fold would feel more like a tablet and would clearly target productivity. This helps explain earlier leaks, such as the carbon fiber backplate and the larger 5,000 mAh battery. Those features never aligned with an ultra-thin foldable, but they make complete sense for a wider productivity-focused model. Samsung's strategy is well calculated. The regular Z Fold 8 remains slim and easy to carry. The wider Z Fold 8 becomes a dedicated productivity device. While a digitizer-free S Pen may eventually allow pen support on thinner folds, for now, the wider version gets priority. This is where Apple begins to feel real pressure. The iPhone Fold is rumored to be wider, with a 4.3-inch cover display and a thickness of around 9.5 to 10 millimeters. Even with a digitizer layer, Samsung's wider fold could still end up thinner while offering S Pen support. Combine that with improved cameras, faster wireless charging, and a more squared-off design that clearly separates it from Apple's Fold, and the direction becomes obvious. Foldables are now splitting in the same way the Galaxy S lineup did, and the pressure on Apple does not end there. The iPhone Fold is expected to skip a dedicated zoom lens altogether, likely sticking with a simpler dual-camera setup. Both Z Fold 8 models are rumored to receive major camera upgrades, including a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera up from 12 megapixels. The regular Z Fold 8 is also expected to upgrade its telephoto camera from 10 to 12 megapixels. For the first time, Samsung's Fold cameras are finally reaching ultra-level standards. That's all for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments. As always, I'll see you in the next one.